Welcome students, 10th standard maths part 2nd, and lesson number 1 is a similarity. Lesson number 1 is similarity, and let us see tests of similarity. There are 4 tests for the similarity of two triangles. So what is mean by similarity of triangles? If in two triangles the angles, corresponding angles are congruent and the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar. And there are 4 tests of similarity. Number 1 is a test of similarity of triangles. A angle, angle, angle. Now consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and their vertices are ABC corresponding PQR, means A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, and C corresponds to R. And also angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, and angle C congruent angle R. Thus, all the angles of triangle ABC are congruent to the corresponding all the angles of triangle PQR. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we write triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is by a test of similarity. Number 2 is a test of similarity of triangles. A means angle, angle test. Here also consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and their vertices are according to given correspondence, that is ABC corresponding PQR. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, and C corresponds to R. And angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R. That is, two angles of first triangle are congruent to the two corresponding angles of triangle PQR. Then these two triangles are said to be similar according to the A test of similarity. Therefore, we write here triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is by A test of similarity. Now third is SAS test of similarity of triangles. Side angle side test. When the pair of corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same proportion. Suppose ABC and PQR are two given triangles such that their vertices are in the correspondence ABC corresponding PQR, that is A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. Then corresponding sides ratio AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, and the angle between these two sides, that is angle B, is equal to angle Q, angle B congruent angle Q. Then it is called as a SAS test of similarity. S side angle side, side angle side, test of similarity of triangles. Then next is side side test, side test of similarity of triangles. If the ratio of corresponding sides of first triangle to second triangle is equal, then it is called as a SSS test. That is AB upon PQ corresponding side ratio, BC upon QR, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. When this ratio is equal, and here correspondence is ABC corresponding PQR, then the two triangles are said to be similar by SSS test of similarity. That is side, 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 side test of similarity. Practice set 1.3. Question number 1. In the figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. If we see two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle EDC, in these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle D, each 75 degree, and angle C is a common angle because it comes in triangle ABC, and it also comes in triangle EDC. This is angle C is a common angle. Therefore, two angles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle EDC are similar by a similarity test. So we write in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC congruent angle EDC, reason is each 75 degree. Angle C congruent angle C, this is a common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle EDC, and here is the AA similarity test. AA similarity test of triangles. Now we have to write one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence is ABC corresponding EDC. It means vertex A corresponds to vertex E, B corresponds to D, and C corresponds to CA. One-to-one correspondence. Question number 2. Are the triangles in figure similar? If yes, by which test? We have given two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle LMN, and the measures of sides are given. If we take the ratio of the sides, we can check yes similarity criterion. So write in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, take ratio PQ upon LM is equal to 6/3 is equal to 2/1. Now take ratio QR upon MN is equal to 8/4 is equal to 2/1. And take ratio PR upon LN is equal to 10/5. It is also 2/1. that is ratio of corresponding sides is equal. Therefore, we write PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. Therefore, triangle PQR, similar triangle LMN, this is by SS test of similarity. SS test of similarity of triangles. SS test of similarity of triangles. Question number 3. As shown in the figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of a smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole at the same time? This is a smaller pole. It makes right angle to the ground. This is bigger pole. AC is bigger pole. This makes right angle at the ground, and shadows are cast at the same time. Therefore, these angles are also same. Therefore, these two triangles become similar because shadows are cast at the same time. Therefore, we write PR is equal to height of smaller pole QR is equal to shadow of smaller pole. AC is equal to height of bigger pole. BC is equal to shadow of bigger pole. Shadows are cast at the same time. Shadows are cast at the same time. Therefore, triangle PRQ is similar to triangle ACB. These are the two triangles similar. Therefore, ratio of PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. This is called CSST. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now put the values. PR 4 upon AC 8 is equal to QR 6 upon BC is X. Therefore, 4 into X is equal to 6 into 4 into X is equal to 6 into 8. Therefore, X is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. 4 2 are 8. Therefore, X is equal to 6 into 2, 12 meter. Therefore, shadow of bigger pole. Shadow of bigger pole is equal to 12 meter. Shadow of bigger pole is equal to 12 meter. Now example number 4. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular BC and BQ perpendicular to AC. B dash P dash C, B dash P dash C, and A dash Q dash C. Then prove that triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, find AC. Now consider two triangles. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB. CPA and CQB. Angle CPA is equal to angle CQB. Angle CPA is equal to angle CQB. Each 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree, which is given. Angle C is equal to angle C. Common angle. Therefore, triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. These two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. A test of similarity. Now take the ratio of corresponding sides of these two triangles. We take AP and AP. Then its a corresponding side is a BQ. AP upon BQ is equal to AC. AC upon BC. This is CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Put the values. AP 7 and BQ is 8 is equal to AC 12. AC is to be find out and BC is a 12. Now by cross multiplication, AC into 8 is equal to 7 into 12. Therefore, AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21, 21 upon 2. Therefore, AC is equal to 10.5 units. Question number 5. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ parallel SR, side PQ parallel SR, and AR is equal to phi AP, AS is equal to phi AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to phi PQ. Now let us solve this example. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ parallel side SR, side PQ parallel side SR, and take SQ transversal and SQ transversal. Therefore, these two angles are alternate angles. Therefore, we write angle SQP congruent, angle SQP congruent QSR, angle QSR, alternate angles. Now angle SQP means angle AQP. Therefore angle AQP congruent. Angle QSR means angle ASR. Reason is Q dash A dash S. Now in triangle ASR and triangle AQP, angle AQP congruent angle ASR. This is equation number 1. This is from equation 1. And these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore this angle is QAP. Angle QAP congruent angle SAR. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle ASR similar triangle AQP. Two angles are congruent, this angle and this angle, and these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore these two triangles are congruent, similar by a test of similarity. Now take the ratio of sides AS upon AQ is equal to SR upon QP. AS upon AQ, SR upon QP is equal to AR upon AP. Now let us see what is given here. AS is equal to phi AQ. Reason for this, CS ST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. But we have given AS is equal to phi AQ and AR is equal to phi AP. Now put AS is equal to phi AQ, therefore phi AQ upon AQ is equal to SR upon QP is equal to AR is equal to phi AP. Phi AP upon AP, AP get cancel, AQ get cancel. Therefore SR upon PQ is equal to phi is to 1. Therefore SR is equal to phi PQ, cross multiplication. SR is equal to phi PQ, which is proved here. Now example number 6. In trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB parallel to side DC. Side AB parallel to side DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. AB is equal to 20 and DC is equal to 6. OB is equal to 15. OB is equal to 15. Then find OD. By same way, we have to solve this example. In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel side DC and BD transversal, and BD is transversal. AB parallel to CD and BD is a transversal. Therefore these two angles are alternate angles. Therefore we write angle BDC congruent angle DBA. Reason is alternate angles. Now this BDC, angle BDC can be written as angle ODC. Therefore angle ODC congruent. Angle DBA, DBA can be written as OBA. Angle OBA because D dash O dash B. This is reason. And suppose this is equation number 1. Now consider two triangles, triangle OBA and triangle ODC. In triangle OBA and triangle ODC, angle ODC congruent angle OBA. This is from equation 1. Now these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore we write angle DOC congruent angle BOA. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle OBA similar triangle ODC, two angles are congruent, this angle and these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore by AA similarity test, AA similarity test of triangles, these two triangles are congruent. Now take ratio of corresponding sides OB upon OD. OB upon OD is equal to AB upon CD. AB upon CD. AB is given 20. DC means CD is given 6. OB is given 15 and we have to find OD. This is a CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Put the values. Value of OB is 15 and value of OD is to be find out. Value of AB is 20 and that of CD is 6. Therefore by cross multiplication 20 into OD is equal to 15 into 6. Therefore OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20. Divide by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18 upon 4. Therefore OD is equal to 4 4s are 16 point 4 5s are 20 units. Thus value of OD will be 4.5 units here. Now example number 7. Quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Point E is on side BC and D intersects ray AB in point T. Then prove that D into B is equal to C into T. C into T. Now this ABCD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Therefore, side AB parallel side CD. Side AB parallel side CD. Opposite sides of parallelogram now side AB can extend as a side AT. Therefore, side AT parallel side CD. And reason is A dash B dash T. And now TD transversal therefore AT parallel to CD and TD transversal, therefore this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Therefore angle ATD congruent angle CDT. These are alternate angles. Now angle ATD means angle BTE. Therefore angle BTE congruent angle CDT means angle CDE. Angle CDE. And reason is A dash B dash T and D dash E dash T. Suppose this is the equation number 1. Now consider two triangles in triangle BTE and triangle CDE. Angle BTE congruent angle CDE from equation number 1. Now angle BET congruent angle CD, this angle and this angle. Congruent angle CD. These are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle BTE similar triangle CDE. A test of similarity. A test of similarity. Now take ratio B upon CE. B upon CE is equal to TE upon DE. BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE. This is the CSST. Therefore, cross multiplication DE into BE is equal to CE into T, which is a proof. Now example number 8. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other at point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. Now in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, ABP and CDP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, which is a given. It is a ratio of corresponding sides and it is a given. Now angle APB congruent to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Angle APB, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So pair of one angles is congruent and ratio of corresponding sides is the same. Therefore these two triangles are similar according to SAS criterion. Therefore triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. This is SAS similarity test of triangles. Question number 9. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that angle BAC, means this angle, is equal to angle ADC, this angle. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now consider two triangles. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. It is given. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC is given. Angle C is equal to angle C. Common angle. Common angle. So in triangle BAC and ADC, this angle and this angle are equal. It is a given. And angle C is a common angle. Therefore triangle BAC similar triangle ADC, a test of similarity of triangles. Now take ratio CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. This is CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Cross multiplication, CA square is equal to CB into CD is proved.